Hey guys, it's teacher Nicole here. Again, we are in my science trailer. My family's rebuilding a trailer in our backyard, and I have a perfect amount of space and windows to grow things in here. So we're using it for our science experiments that we're doing. Last week, if you think about it, we had day 1 and day 2 of our lettuce experiment. We took the head of lettuce, which was a big piece of lettuce. It was the whole thing like this. And then I cut it in the bottom part. I cut that off. And then our lettuce just looked like this. Can you see it? There it is. It was just a little stub of lettuce. So today is day 3. We're gonna take a look with our eyes to the back in here where we have it growing. We're gonna touch it with our fingers. We're gonna use a crayon and a piece of paper to draw what we're seeing, right? So we're gonna use our hands, our eyes, and our tools. A crayon, something to draw. It could be a pencil, a crayon, a marker, whatever you want. Piece of paper. Got it? All right, let's go check it out because it's really exciting. Here we go. Okay, so when we did this the last time, I put them in the clamshell, if you remember. I ended up taking them out because it was just one little guy and he kept falling over. So then I moved him into here where I had some other stuff growing too. But if you want to just take a peek, look at that. That's a little thing called bok choy. And I'm going to grow that too. I'm going to see if it works. And then I'll stick it in my garden to see if it's going to grow. But let's look at the lettuce that we did. It's going to be inside of here. Do you see all that condensation? That's water. And that happens because the sun shines in here during the daytime, makes it nice and warm. It's kind of like sweating, but that sweating is super good for the vegetables to grow. That's what they need. Oops. All right, so let's take a peek. Oh my goodness, not only is it gorgeous, it is green and beautiful, but everything in here is growing. This is celery. Look at that. That's new. These are some lettuces that I have done before. This is that Napa cabbage. Look at that. All these are going to be their own little heads of cabbage that we'll put in the dirt when they're big enough to grow. But look, here's our little guy. Look at him. He's beautiful. Okay, I'm going to give you a minute to examine this and think about what you see. ¿Qué puedes ver aquí que es diferente? Antes solamente había esta parte abajo. ¿Cómo ha crecido? How did it grow? What's happening? Let's take a good look. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. So the best way to see what the difference is to look at our old drawing, to look at day 2 lettuce drawing that you did. You should have done that last week. We're keeping them, remember? And let's take a look and see what's different. Do you guys see what's different? Look here. That's all new. All of that. It is so beautiful. I'm seeing lots of lines and shapes. What shapes do you see? That kind of looks like a long rectangle here. Look, up, down, across, over, with some ovals, with little, look in there. What is that? Those almost look like little rectangles too, or squares. Pretty cool. Oops. Ha! I touched the lettuce there to make it to focus it. That was pretty silly. All right. So this is it's not day 3. It's like a week 1. So this is after 1 week of growing. Okay. Una semana de creciendo cuando vive solamente en agua, puro agua. I'm just putting it just in water to make it grow. Okay, time to do our drawing. So go grab a pencil, grab your lettuce, or look at the one that I have. Okay, we're going to use this to draw what we see. I'm going to put it down here on the paper so that I can look at it. Now I'm going to look at the shapes that I have. Okay, let's look at these shapes. We're going to go, it looks like I have a cross on the bottom. If I look up, it's almost like a little curve, like a bowl. Across again. And then it kind of like swoops in and down. Then I'm going to connect. Okay, that's the base, the bottom here. Let's come up to the top because this is the exciting part. This is what's new. Almost looks like a big rectangle. So I'm going to go up, across, and down. That's okay. I went a little over, but does that matter? No. Here's another little guy. See, I'm looking right here at that guy. Down, across, and swoop. He's kind of a little curvy. There's some other little guys over here. There's this guy here. Okay, and then there's some more here. And then I'm going to do some details. This was that little rectangle kind of that we saw here, and it had lines, remember? See those pretty little lines? Some more lines. Some more, and there's just little shapes, some squares maybe. Look down here. Do you see this? I'm just gonna do that. It's like zigzags, little mountains, side mountains. Here we go. Whee! Another one. Woo! Bumps. Let's get those bumps in there. Oh, some jagged mountains. Woo! Here we go. And just some more details. What do you see? Maybe what you see is different from what I see. But that's why we're using our eyes and our hands so that we can pick it up and turn it around and look and get some really good details into that, right? So many things that we can do. I'll put that back down. Do a couple more bumps here, maybe another lines. Wow, do you see the difference though? All this is new, and that's what I tried to draw here. I'm gonna put a title on this, okay? Well, first let's write my name so I remember who I am. My name's Nicole. And then we decided instead of saying day 3, even it's the 3rd day of our experiment, this is 1 week. So let's say week 1. Week 1. This is what we have. Let's see if I can find my, do it like a little book, okay? Because we're saving it all, right? So here was lettuce. Day 1, this is what it started like, the whole head. Lettuce, day 2, 2 days. And then this is day 3. Can you see that side by side like that? How cool is that? Yay! You guys, we did it. We did 1 whole week. 3, I don't want to call them episodes, but they're kind of like episodes of Science Eyes, okay? This is our lettuce experiment, week 1, episode 3, and we're all done. What am I going to do with this guy now? I wonder. Should I leave him out? No. Should I put him back in the shell? Yeah, I'm going to go put him back in that container over there so that he gets more water and sun, and it's nice and warm for him to grow. All right, guys, I love science. I hope you do too. This is so fun. Thanks for coming along on the journey with me. Bye. See you guys next week.